In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring event in Google Calendar. Using recurring events is a great way to save time and stay organized, especially for things like weekly meetings, classes, reminders, or personal routines. Instead of manually adding the same event over and over, you can set it up once and let Google Calendar handle the rest. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main calendar view, look towards the top left corner of the screen for the Create button. Go ahead and click on Create. This is how you start adding any new event. After clicking Create, a small event window will appear. In that window, click on Event. This tells Google Calendar that you want to create a standard calendar event, not a task, reminder, or appointment schedule. Once you select Event, you'll see fields to add details like the event name, date, and time. Now type in the name of your event in the title field. Make this name clear and descriptive so you can recognize it easily at a glance. For example, you might use something like team check-in, yoga class at us, or study session. A clear name is especially helpful when you have many events on your calendar. Next, instead of staying in the small pop-up window, click on More Options. This opens the full event editor and gives you access to all the settings you need, including the repeat settings for making the event recurring. Using More Options ensures you don't miss anything important. In the full event view, look for the date and time area. Right below the date and time, you will see a setting that usually says Does Not Repeat by default. This is the repeat option that controls whether your event is one time or recurring. Click on this default Does Not Repeat setting. When you click it, a menu will appear with several choices. Here, you can select how often you want your event to repeat. Common options include daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can also choose a custom schedule, like every other week or only on specific days. Pick the